Welcome to Lusk. Learn unknown, share known. This is a part 3 video. In part 1, we discussed about how ships float and what engine and how big is the engine of the ship and what oil we are using in ships. In part 2 video, we discussed how we are producing electricity in ships. In this video, we are going to see how much a ship mileage is. We all know the car mileage, bike mileage. You want to know the ship's mileage? Let us see. For a normal average cargo ship, a big ship consumes 24 tons of oil per day. That is nothing but 24,000 liters of oil per day is consumed. Normally, a ship sails in a speed of 13 to 14 knots. That is, if we calculate in kilometer per hour, 24 to 26 kilometer per hour. That's a ship speed. So, if 1 ton oil is consumed for 1 hour, it travels 25 kilometers. If 25 kilometers ship is traveling, it is consuming 1000 liters of oil, right? 1000 liters is not a small thing, it's really a big thing. So if we calculate everything, for 1 liter a ship travels just 25 meters. That is an average human being who is walking just 36 steps. Just 36 steps or 25 meters. So for ship's mileage is just for liter 25 meters, just 36 steps is the ship's mileage. So what is the cost of the ship fuel? We'll see what is the cost of the ship's fuel. Do you know? Let us know. Past 2 to 3 years, ship's oil price is around $300 per ton. That is, if we calculate in Indian money, that's 1 liter of fuel oil for a ship is 20 to 22 rupees. So if we calculate for 24 hours, fuel consumption is around 5 lakhs. And not only fuel is a cost, there are many other running costs behind it. Let's see what are all the running costs behind this. To run a ship, only fuel is not the running cost. There are many other expenses behind it. So normally, an engine needs a lubricating oil. Like we use in bike, car, we need an engine oil. Same likewise, ships also need a oil. That also we don't consume in liters. We consume in tons of oil are consumed for the engine. Then spare parts for the engine. Because ship doesn't run safe like easily. Ship doesn't run easily because too many repairs will be occurring in day-to-day life. For that we require spares, and spares are very expensive, which we use in ships. And major cost is salary for the ship crew who works in ship. Do you want to know how much salary they get? Let us see how much salary a ship crew gets. Normally, a company is spending around 70 lakhs per month for a salary for the ship crew. Around 20 to 22 crew will be working in a ship. So per month they are giving salary of 70 lakhs. According to rank wise, their salary will be divided. So approximately 2.5 lakhs company spends for giving a salary. So if we all calculate together, to run a ship successfully for 1 day, company needs nearly 25 lakhs per day to run a ship continuously. Just imagine if you want to run a ship for years and years, how much crores and crores of rupees are involved in it. So I hope you got some basic idea how a ship sails. In next video, upcoming video, electricity and ship's electricity and how the steams are produced, etc. I will show in next upcoming videos. And one more video I like to upload, like how to join in merchant navy. I mean how to get job in ship and what to study. So likewise I will upload few videos. Please watch it. Thank you for watching Lusk. Learn unknown, share known.